To access our HMDA dashboard, go to the Richey May website, and under Industries and Mortgage Banking Resources, you can click HMDA Market Share Dashboards. Scroll down and you'll see the new dashboard experience here. For instance, I'm going to select Denver County, Colorado. You'll see all the cards below have a filter icon. It may take a minute for them to load. All the cards have updated and you can scroll down and look at the information as you need. Let's say I wanted to export the top lender report for Denver County, Colorado. I just click on this icon in the top right corner of the card and you'll see an Excel sheet has downloaded for me. When you open the Excel sheet, you'll see it's persisted for your filters. You can apply multiple filters as needed. For instance, you can select a county and multiple zip codes, or you can select a lender and a few MSAs. If you need help using the dashboard, contact us at info@richeymay.com.